Hey everyone, welcome back to Urmila's Learning Tree. Okay, today's episode is going to be super fun and a little bit spicy.
Spicy? Now I'm interested. What are we learning today?
Today, we are learning 30 slang words that you can actually use in daily conversations.
Oh, nice. Because honestly, textbook English is fine, but real conversations need slang.
Exactly, so let's start and don't worry. We'll keep it simple and super useful.
1. Chill.
Okay, so first word chill. It means relax.
Oh yeah, I use this a lot.
Like, hey, just chill. Everything is under control.
Yeah, and sometimes people say it in a serious situation, and I'm like, bro, how can I chill right now?
2. Hang out.
Next, hang out, meaning spend time casually.
Let's hang out this weekend.
Honestly, I love this phrase. It sounds so easygoing, no pressure, just vibes.
3. Bummer.
Bummer means something disappointing. Your trip got canceled. That's a bummer.
Yeah, and it sounds softer than saying, that's bad, like more emotional, you know?
4. Cool.
Cool means nice or impressive.
That's a really cool idea.
And the best part, you can use cool in almost every situation.
5. Deal.
Deal means agreement. You bring snacks, I'll bring drinks. Deal.
Deal. See, even now I used it.
6. No big deal.
No big deal means it's not important.
Don't worry, no big deal.
Yeah, this one is perfect when you want to comfort someone.
7. Catch up.
Catch up means talk after a long time. Let's catch up soon.
And then we say that, but never actually meet.
8. Crash.
Crash means to sleep quickly. I'm so tired I'm going to crash.
Same. After a long day, I don't sleep, I just crash.
9. Hit the books.
Hit the books means start studying. I need to hit the books.
I say this, but then end up scrolling my phone.
10. Break a leg.
Break a leg means good luck. You have an exam. Break a leg.
Funny how we say break when we actually mean something good.
11. On point.
On point means perfect. Your outfit is on point.
That's such a compliment. I'd feel confident instantly.
12. Hangry.
Hangry. Angry because of hunger.
I get hangry if I don't eat. Oh, that's literally me. Don't talk to me when I'm hungry.
13. Ghost.
Ghost means suddenly stop replying. He ghosted me.
That's honestly so annoying. At least say something before disappearing.
14. Salty.
Salty means upset or bitter.
Why are you so salty today?
Yeah, like someone is clearly annoyed, but pretending they're fine.
15. Lit.
Lit means very exciting. The party was lit.
If a party is not lit, I'm going home early.
16. Low-key.
Low-key means a little or secretly. I low-key, oh.
Yeah, like you don't want to fully admit it.
17. High-key.
High-key means very obviously. I high-key love this movie.
See the difference? Now you're not hiding anything.
18. Vibe.
Vibe means feeling or atmosphere. I love the vibe of this place.
Same, some places just feel right. No explanation needed.
19. No-brainer.
No-brainer means an easy decision. This choice is a no-brainer.
All decisions were this easy.
20. Savage.
Savage means bold or brutally honest. Comeback was savage.
Yeah, sometimes too savage.
21. Glow up.
Glow up means big positive change. She had a glow up.
We all want that glow-up moment.
22. Flex.
Flex means show off. Stop flexing your phone.
Let them flex. I'll get mine soon.
23. Mood.
Mood means relatable feeling. Sleeping all day. That's my mood.
Same here, especially on Sundays.
24. FOMO.
FOMO means fear of missing out. I just a FOMO.
Yeah, Sometimes we don't even want to go, but still go.
25. Goat.
Goat means greatest of all time. He is the goat.
Big word, only for legends.
26. Bail.
Bail means cancel plans, suddenly. Don't bail on me.
I hate when people do that last minute.
27. Shoot your shot.
Shoot your shot means take a chance. Just shoot your shot.
Yeah, better to try than regret later.
28. Dead.
Dead means, is very funny. That joke was so funny I'm dead.
Not literally dead, just laughing too much.
29. Bet.
Bet means okay or agreed. Meet at 5, bet. Short, simple, and cool.
30. Slay.
Slay means do something amazingly well. You slay at performance.
And that's the kind of energy we all need.
Wow, that was actually fun. I feel like I can sound more natural now.
Exactly. That's the goal, not just English, but real English.
Okay, but challenge for you guys.
Yes, use at least 5 slang words today in your conversation. Comment your favorite slang word from today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Urmila's Learning Tree.
Learn smart, speak naturally, and keep growing.
See you in the next